So I'm about to cut some more trees down. I've decided I'm going to try and do, I don't have much time for this, I'm going to try and do 10 branches a day minimum. So I'll cut down 10, drag 10 up the top of the block. At least that way I'm slowly getting done, but there's a lot to do. So I've got about an hour and I've got to go to work. I feel like I've got a bit of a rush I've got to get it done by, because the tip here opens for 3 weeks a year where green waste is free. Otherwise you've got to pay for it. So I'm trying to get it done before the tip opens. And I am very aware that it's becoming in the snake season, and you can't see snakes real good on this stuff at all with the colour of the ground. Anyway, I've got to be careful. I do my 10.